A journey of 192 km from Mumbai to Pune takes 2 hours less by the fast train than by a slow train. If the average speed of the slow train is 16 km per hour less than that of fast train, find the average speed of each train. Then firstly we let the average speed of fast train is x kilometer per hour. Now average speed of slow train since speed of slow train is 16 km per hour less than speed of fast train, means speed of slow train is 16 km per hour less than x, then it is x minus 16. Speed of slow train is 16 km per hour less than speed of fast train. Now time taken to cover 192 km by fast train time is given by distance upon speed, then T1 equal distance upon speed. Distance is 192 km and speed of fast train is x. Again time taken to cover 192 km by slow train T2 equal distance upon speed means 192 upon speed of slow train is 16 km per hour less than speed of fast train, then time equal distance upon speed. Now time difference, the journey of 192 km from Mumbai to Pune takes 2 hours less by the fast train than by slow train, means time difference is given is 2 hours. Time difference is 2 hours. Time difference means it is always positive, then what we subtract T1 by T2 or T2 by T1. It depends on which value of T1 and T2 is greater. Since T1 is a time when train covers 192 km, when fast train covers 192 km, means since time covered by fast train is less than the time covered by slow train, then T2 is always greater than T1, means time taken by slow train is greater than time taken by fast train, means इट इज स्लो ट्रेन, ये धीमे चल रही इसलिए देर में पहुंचाएगी, इसमें ज़्यादा समय लगेगा. ये तेज चल रही है इसलिए इसमें कम समय लगेगा. और अगर T2 T1 से ग्रेटर है तो हम T2 में से T1 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, देन T2 माइनस T1 इज इक्वल 2 आवर्स. नाउ वैल्यू ऑफ T2 इज 192 by x minus 16. Value of t1 is then 192, take LCM, then x cancel out. We have 192 into 16 equal to x square minus 16x. X square minus 16 है and it is multiplied by 2. Then we have equation x square minus 16x and it is divided by 2, means 192 into 16 by 2. Then x square minus 16x (1536). Now we have to find two factors of 1536 such that their difference is equal 16. Then two factors of 1536 is 48 into 32 into 2 the 4 to the 8 to the 16 into 2 32 into 48, and it is difference of these two terms is equal 16. Then we factorize the middle term. We have x square minus 48 minus 32 x minus 1536 equals 0. Then x square minus 48x plus 32x minus 1536 equals 0. Now x common, we have x minus 48, 32 common, we have x minus 48 equals 0. Then x plus 32 and x minus 48, then value of x is 48 or minus 32. Since it is negative, then we consider x equal 48 and speed of fast train which is equal x. Then speed of fast train is 48 km/h. Speed of slow train which is less than 16 from 48, then 48 minus 16, then it is equal 32 km/h. It is answer.